All right, so I picked up the boat. It's back there. Tow's pretty nice. It's about a 4.5 hour drive from parents' house. We got there, packed the bearings, repacked them, I should say. I put some new tires I got from the store on it, tires and wheels. The bearings were pretty shot, so I don't actually know if we'll make it back with bearings or if we're gonna be riding on the trailer to drag it into my, house. But I will keep you guys updated on what happens, and there is more to come. It's in the shop. It didn't explode on the ride home. Everything went perfect, actually, for some reason. Usually doesn't do that, but cover's off. It looks like an ancient motor to me. There's some rotten wood, which is common. We're gonna take these seats out, toss them in the trash. They're junk.
Kinda sick, but nah, hell no.
I'm not trying to have like this action going on. So far, what we know the boat needs is some fiberglass work. That's popping off there.
And the wood on the trailer.
I'm not really sure what happened here, if someone tried to rebuild this or if like this is the factory
I think
thing.
it was low. Yeah, look how low.
Yeah,
I think that was factory.
I don't know.
No way you can cut it that good.
Yeah, that is a nice cut, but I don't know why there's not fiberglass over it. But that needs to be fixed before we do anything. Steering could be better.
Yeah, she
little and that doesn't look very original either. I don't know. Those look like some janky cuts right there. So yeah, the motor turns over, it has compression. Figured that out. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead. Yeah, it has some old fish finder, but that doesn't actually look that old. I don't know. But yeah, this thing's pretty weird. It's got these I don't know. It's got these little latches, I don't know, cubbies, I don't know. It's got this massive light. I don't really know what it's for. Just kidding, I know what it's for, but it's massive. Sick grab handle. Also, I was gonna point this out. I'm not sure how it's supposed to get down there when you're loading it, but I think it's supposed to spin when you're loading it, because you can't just reach down there and get that. But I don't know why it's so far down there.
What the heck? It's literally like 4 feet back, too.
Yeah. I don't know. This thing's a whole lot more hollow than the other one. Like if we come over here, like you could just flex the fiberglass a lot. I don't know if that was just the designer or what, but we're gonna go ahead, get the seats out, carpet out, give it a quick vacuum, and we'll show you guys then. It's vacuumed out.
Russian uses air.
Looks pretty good. Nothing like crazy yet. There's something like this. I don't even know what that is. It's really like, it's thin.
Flexi.
It's thin. Motor's off as well. It's over here. It has been, I think it's been leaking. Just an assumption though. I don't know. Anyway, got a sick Powercat logo. We're gonna remake that. We're also gonna sand down the whole boat to make it look blue again because they painted over it. We sanded here just by hand a little bit. Looks amazing. So we're gonna make it look like that to this. This thing shouldn't leak a drop. This thing should be fire, other than the transom's rotted.
Completely fine.
Which is a little unfortunate. But maybe it's only like to here or something. We can just like rebuild up from here because I don't want to go down into this and do all of this. We're gonna take this off right now. Cone's gonna stay in the boat. We're gonna keep attacking the wiring and everything.
Starting to crack, and I think that's just adjustability right there. That's adjustability. When you hit the whoops in the water, it's not really going to cause much of an issue.
I don't know if I updated. I wet sanded this with 2000 grit. It's shining pretty good. And we're about ready to put fiberglass over this back. We ended up
There was 5 in there last time.
5 what? Tiki punches?
Yes.
Yeah, I was asking for 1 too, and there's none.
I wonder why.
Smirky McSmirker over here.
Over here literally sanded for 5 seconds.
We put a slit through this and folded it down so it's a little more flush. I didn't like how it was kind of like a 1/2 inch gap between the top and the bottom. So we're just gonna kind of combine them into one. Brock cut both of these, and then we'll just probably use some bond or pull some mat apart and then sand it down.
Good.
So we'll get to that.
Don't mind us. We just got in the boat business.
We're pretty close to being done with all the sanding. So that had white paint on it. We just sanded it all down back to gel coat, the original gel coat. It's funny, it's pretty much the same color as this one. Brock's actually wet sanded this one, so it's a little bit lighter color, but I think it's just the top that he painted. I think the bottom's the same, so we'll hit this eventually, because like I think anyway, I hope it's not painted. It might be, but the transom is not drying, so we're gonna have to look and see if there is a way to fix that with filler or something, because that's terrible. It's just straight up not drying at all, so we either have to sand it all off or something else. And then seats, I think I'm gonna make like a big old bench seat in the back here. I think I'm gonna try to make a box how they have it, and then put a bench seat in the back right in front of the box. Probably do what Brock did. Brock's battery's sitting in the back of his. I'll probably put mine there. I did see there's that up there, like a battery box for it, but I think I just want to fix that up, get rid of those 2 holes, and put a fuel cell up there. That way all the weight's on the front, not on the back. We do have these. I'll probably just sell those. But tonight we're gonna be working on the seahorse. We're gonna throw it in this blue bucket we have. Lily, we're gonna throw it inside this blue bucket we have and see if we can get it running.
I broke my back.
We are currently filling up with water. We're gonna see if she runs. If she runs, we're gonna sell it. Make some money for our next motor. Pretty sure it should run. The guy said it ran when we bought it, supposedly, so. But the guy was also a weirdo, so you never know. This is a 1967 Sea King 45 horsepower, according to Brock. It's a 45 horse Sea King, but Brock says it's 1967. Well, I went to go get the golf cart to jump it, and Brock already he wound it up, and first pull basically started chugging. Got it. Is it in gear? Yeah. What is that? It's pissing out the back, so I think the water pump's good.
Yeah, water pump's good.
Who needs a 115?
You don't even need the wire. You can full start it and go.
No. Damn. Once you warm her up, she chugs.